everybody. So it's been a minute since I've done a video, but I always report on surgeries I've had, and I'm about to have a slap repair. So anyway, I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous. I'm more nervous about the rehab that's gonna happen afterwards, because I have performed this rehab on many people and it's painful. So I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the stretching that I'm gonna have to do after the surgery. So anyway, this is gonna be short because I don't really have too much to say right now. I should have done this years ago. My right shoulder sublux is out of the joint. It does self-reduce, but it makes my arm hurt, makes my right arm weak, makes me afraid when I go up to hit a tennis ball or reach my arm around behind my back, or do any number of things where I just don't trust the shoulder to operate like it should. So on Friday, he's gonna go in, he's gonna repair it. It's gonna be Dr. Schwartzberg from Orlando Orthopedic. Anyway, so you guys know the deal. When I have a surgery, you're gonna know exactly what happened, exactly how I feel the day after that. I'm gonna try to film the rehab best I can. So anyone out there who's gonna go and have this surgery is gonna have an idea of what it's gonna be like as a patient from the day to day. So anyway, keep me in your prayers. I'm worried about karma. I've stretched a lot of joints, a lot of knees, a lot of shoulders. And so now it's gonna be me in the chair. So anyway, tune in. All right.